Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Crypto.com in 2025. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To get started, you need to create an account on the Crypto.com website or download the mobile app. First, go to the Crypto.com website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide some basic information such as your name and date of birth. You will also need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by Crypto.com. Once you have created your account, you need to verify your identity. This is a mandatory step to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will need to provide a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license, as well as a proof of address such as a utility bill. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Crypto.com account. You can do this by clicking on the deposit button and selecting the currency you want to deposit. Crypto.com supports a wide range of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies. Now that you have deposited funds, you can start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. To do this, click on the Trade button and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. You can also set up a recurring buy order to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com also offers a range of other features such as a cryptocurrency wallet, a credit card, and a lending platform. The Crypto.com wallet allows you to store your cryptocurrencies securely, while the credit card offers rewards and cashback on your purchases. The lending platform allows you to earn interest on your cryptocurrencies by lending them to other users. To keep your account and funds secure, it is essential to use two-factor authentication and a strong password. You should also enable notifications to stay informed about any activity on your account. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of different cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, using Crypto.com in 2025 is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrencies and online trading. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create an account, verify your identity, deposit funds, and start buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Remember to always use two-factor authentication and a strong password to keep your account and funds secure.